Right, people, welcome to my Twitch channel. This is going to be a live stream with me doing some technical analysis Tuesday morning. So, right, before we start, on the right, I'm just going to break down to you all my favorite pairs, what I like to trade. These are I call it my accurate pairs, as you can see, my accurate pairs. And then I've got my Forex pairs. These are all the Forex pairs that I do trade, but my accurate pairs are the one. More times when I look at my trading log, these are the pairs where I'm consistently finding good trades and winning on. So that is just a tip or some advice for you to do as a retail trader. Look at your trading log and just look at the trades that focus on the trades that you win a lot with. Stick on those currency pairs and you should be fine. So right, looking at AUD CAD, highlighted on a 4-hour time frame, we've got this consolidation zone happening right here. We've got a resistance level and a support level. And right now, I'll be honest with you. Oh, you know what? I'm going to have to take this trade. Short. We're going to go short. I've got in around this level right here. So, with AUD CAD, we're going to put our stop loss at around... so 13, okay, so this is going to be around 23 pips. So I'm going to hold this for 23 pips. I should hold it down really and truly to this support level right here. But when I do one-to-one risk reward ratio and I just go by my rules. And there we go. Hold that for 23 pips. So my stop loss should be at 0.9362. So there we go, people. That is a live trade I've just took. I'm literally just doing it on my phone now, my MT4. And yeah, so right, let's move on to the next trade. There you go. Sorry, people, before we move, that was a live trade. Taking AUD CAD. We see how it goes. Hopefully that should come through. If not, we just go again. We don't dwell on losing trades. We just go again. That's part of trading. Winning and losing. You have to learn from your mistakes. Learn to deal with the losing side, the mental side of trading. It's not all about just winning. So right, moving on to AUD JPY. AUD JPY is rocketing. That is going, I don't know where. That is on a high rise right now, and literally I'm gonna stay away from that. If you are not long on that, I would say stay away. I'm going to move on to the next pair, which is AUD USD. Right, with AUD USD, what I'm liking right now, we've come into this consolidation area right here. And similar to AUD JPY, we're just going to wait to see how it reacts with this resistant level right here. Go on to 1-hour time frame. Not seeing any candlestick reversal pattern happening. But like I said, patience is the key, and we're going to wait to see how AUD USD reacts around this resistant level. So we're either waiting for a reversal or a break. Okay, Euro AUD, like I said before, I don't really want to force it that level right here, but it does look like this here looked like a false breaker and it shot right back up. But this does look like a support level, but I'm not going to force it. So we're going to say this is the support level we're looking for price to come and test. And this is the resistance level up here we're looking at. So with Euro AUD, we're just going to wait. It's a waiting game. We're just going to highlight those levels right there to see if they hold. They might not be accurate. They might not hold. It might do hold, but we don't know. That's why it's a waiting game. We wait and see. So let's move on to Euro JPY. Similar with AUD JPY, this has been rocketing. But I do believe this is more likely to come to an end pretty much soon. We should start seeing a reversal pattern happening with Euro JPY, but it also depends how what news analysts and what's coming up for the Euro this week as well. So with Euro JPY, people, you just want to mark this resistance level right here. So that resistance level is at 133.20. So we're just gonna watch that resistance level, see how the market reacts. And what's the good thing, what I like about this trade, it is on a daily time frame. So this level right here is a major resistant level right here we're looking at right now on a daily time frame. So we're just going to see how the market reacts with it. Not much happening. Hasn't really touched it yet, but keep an eye on it. Next, we're going to move on to Euro USD. Highlighted a resistance level right here and a support level right here if you want to take note of those levels right there at 1.00905, and then the resistance level is 1.1138. So with Euro USD, this is a waiting game, people. We're just gonna wait and see how the market reacts to those two levels right there. So we're either looking for a reversal candlestick pattern or a breakout of that level. With GBP Chef, I'm not seeing nothing I like, so we're not even gonna touch or even talk about GBP Chef. Gonna leave that. If you saw last week, no, the week before, we had a winning trade on that. So let's move on to our next pair, which is GBP AED. Yet again, I said I like this trade. What I'm waiting for, as you can see, on a 4-hour time frame, we have a nice support level right here happening. That's happened. It's touched 3 times. First touch, second touch, and now we're on this third touch, which is, you see prices just gone into this consolidation range. It hasn't made any sufficient move to the upside or to the downside. So what I'm waiting for now is for a break out of this temporary support level, these temporary levels right here, which is highlighted in the blue. So let me go on a 1-hour time frame and break it down to you. So with what I'm looking for with GBP AED is for price, if it comes back down to this temporary support level, I'll look to see if we have a candlestick reversal pattern towards the upside. If not, then we'll leave the trade alone. But if we do, then I will take it. But that's if it comes back down to this temporary support level. And option 2 would be if it goes up to if it goes up to this resistant level right here. If it breaks this resistant level right here, then we will look to buy. So remember, people, it has to break this resistant level right here. We need a nice green candlestick closing above this blue resistant level right here. So remember, that is GBP AED. You want to have a look out for it. Should I add it to my watch list? You know what? Let's add that to the watch list for this week. That's on the pair we actually watch for this week. Could be a good move, that one. It could be earn some nice pips on that. So let's move on to GBP USD. Wow, this is already happening. So with GBP USD, I put a temporary trend line on it. I don't really trade trend lines, but I just like to look at them to see how the market reacts. But you will see, we had this temporary support level. Would have been a nice trade to take. Because I don't trade on Monday, this would have happened. Did it happen on Monday? Yep, it happened. Well, 7 o'clock this morning. So I normally trade after the London session or after the London breakout, which finishes around 10 a.m. London time. So look, we had that support level right here. It's not really a good support level that I really would want to look at. So you can see that its market's come down and it has reacted around this level right here, this temporary support level. But look what we had happen there. You got this nice bullish candlestick happening, close, and look, push right up. So you would have took this trade around 7, 8 in the morning, but I don't really like to trade that time in the morning. But it would have been a nice trade to take if I be honest. So we literally missed that trade right here. And funniest thing happened, it would have happened on the support. Well, you know what? To be fair, it would have happened on the trend line as well. You can see, look like it's reacted off this trend line as well. So yeah, with GBP USD, we've missed that trade. What we're looking for next is a break above this level right here, and look like it's happening right now. So if this candlestick closes above this level right here, I would say it will be look to save to place a buy trade, and you would want to put your stop loss below this candlestick right here, 10 pips below this candlestick right here. So that's only if this candlestick holds like this. So this candlestick will close in the next 45 minutes. If it stays like that, hold nice bullish candlestick, then we will probably look to take a trade. Next up, we've got NZD CAD. Gonna stay away from this pair. We've missed the move on this, so NZD CAD, yeah, gonna stay away from that. Next up is NZD-USD. Same thing with NZD CAD. We're going to skip this pair. I'm not really seeing anything I like. Wouldn't force anything either. It's broken above this level here as well. You know what? I might have to take that back. Looking at how it's going now. Wow, this looks actually quite good. Sorry, people. Let me take that back. With NZD CAD, we've got a nice breakout happening. Oh, you know what? The breakout has just happened right now. We're going to have to play, you know what, people? Right, I'm going to take a trade on NZD CAD. I don't really want to because it's correlating with my AED CAD. I have to take a trade on NZD CAD. No, NZD USD 30. So we're looking to earn around 40 pips on this. So you know what? So we're going to take a trade on NZD CAD. NZD USD. I keep saying NZD CAD. So we're going to go for a buy option there. We're looking to hold this trade around 40 pips. Right, so there we go. We're in NZD USD for a buy. Let's see how this trade plays out. USD CAD, we're going to stay away from that. Not really liking. I do see a consolidation area happening though. I'll be honest with you. So probably if price breaks out any of those two levels, that resistance or support level, you can look to take a trade if it breaks out, or even if it reacts around it with reversal candlestick patterns. So you know what? We'll just see how it reacts around those levels there. I'm just going to leave it on there and see how it reacts. We've got USD JPY, which I knew I've been seeing this last week shooting up. And I'll be honest with you, I took this trade from the breakout from here, from this resistance level breakout. And I think I caught around 30 pips, 40 pips on this. So yeah, people, that brings it to the end of the stream. Like I said before, I'm going to be doing a lot more streaming on my Twitch channel, doing technical analysis. So I would say follow me on Twitch, get over there, and I'm going to be doing lots and lots of technical analysis video on my Twitch channel. Obviously, I'll still be uploading to the YouTube, but I'll be focusing more on Twitch where everyone can interact with me, send me messages, tell me what pairs to look at. It's just more easier to communicate with you guys. And yeah, man, just want to say thanks, and I'll see you next time.